Assalamu alaikum children. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to continue with the first lesson, the last topic, that is universal access. Right. Till that we have completed in the last video, and this video we are going to do universal access. Ubuntu provides an inbuilt tool called universal access through which you can access. How will you open this universal access, children? Same like that rhythm box, music player and all, Brasero, all those we opened, right? In the same way we have to click on dash, type their universal access, then that tab will open and you can access to it. Okay, and one more way is there, that is select session indicator from Ubuntu. Select section indicator. From there, down part of that drop down menu comes. In that there is system setting, and from there universal access is there. Select that, it will open. Then the universal access dialog box appears that contains the following tabs. There are many tabs there. Labelings are there. If you are clicking, that options come. The next one, the first option is seeing. The next option is hearing. Another option is typing. Next one is pointing and clicking. So many tabs are there where when you select seeing, what are the things that come? By using the seeing tab, you can manage the text size. The seeing text means that writing part in the computer, you can arrange it. That is large and in the bold, we will make it a size, no? The text size, that is known as seeing. Then even a screen reader, the high contrast and large text property assists those who have difficulty in seeing. Okay, you can adjust the font by this seeing. Okay, and the next tab is hearing. That is, you can activate visual alert. You can activate a visual alert there through the hearing tab. There is a tab seeing, hearing tab, the second tab there. You can adjust it. If you have hearing impairment, you can also adjust keyboard and mouse setting according to your need through the typing and pointing and clicking tabs respectively. For all these, you can use an alert. Okay. Then the next one is typing. While typing, this typing tab, when you are selecting that typing tab, there are many things that comes. In that, sticky key is there, slow key is there, bounce keys are there, enabled by keyboard is there. So this typing features is used to change the settings on screen keyboard. On screen keyboard, we activated that onboard. Yes, when that on-screen keyboard is coming, when you click on this tab, it will display the following options. These options will be displayed, that is sticky key, slow key, bounce keys, enable by key. See page number 15, children, of your textbook. There you can see the tab here, right? Many tabs are here. Now the typing key is clicked. When you click on sticky key, what happens? No, when suppose in the Word and all copy paste we use, right? Control and C, Control and V, right? So for pasting we will do like that, right? Control P and V we use. Yes, C and V we use for copy and paste, right? So this for that we need to click together, right? Yes, we need to click both the keys together. But here, if you are on that sticky key, what happens is just enable, just on that button of that sticky key, what happened? You can click one key first, then you can click another key. Again, that function of both pressing together, that will be there. Control and C. If you don't have to press it together, you can click this one, you can click then the next. Again, both the functions will be same. That is the purpose of sticky key. Okay, children. Sticky means it is sticking each other. If you are enabling it, two buttons can be pressed at different time. But when you are clicking it at the same time, that functions will be here for this clicking also, because the sticky key is on there. Okay, children. Then the next one, suspend mode. That key is over. Okay. When you are clicking suspend mode, That time what happened? The power saving mode it is. Suppose suspend key is a power saving state wherein a computer does not turn off completely. See, when we are leaving the computer for a while without touching, no, it will off by itself, right? Yeah, but when we are touching the keyboard or mouse, it will open, right? That is the suspend key. That is suspend mode. That is does not turn off completely. In this process, monitor and hard disk are turned off, but the computer puts on work and setting in RAM and draws a small amount of power. It allows a computer to quickly resume full power operation when you start working again. When you touch anything, it will start working or it will wake up. Okay, it is just closing its eyes, but inside its mind it is working. Okay, but when somebody calls us, we open our eyes, right? The same way this computer is just offing its screen, and when we are touching the keyboard or mouse, it will open. And to set like that, why we have to set like that, children? So that the power will be saved. Okay, so the power mode, power or the battery level you can save. Okay, so for that you can keep this in the suspend mode. That is how to keep it. Again the same way, from dash type the suspend mode, or another way is same like how we opened this universal access. That is, click on the section indicator and from that down you will see suspend option there. You can see here. See here, session. Here session indicator is on, a drop down menu came, and here suspend key is there. Can you see, children? Page number 15. Yes, that one. And then if that suspend is there, that computer will off by itself. Now how to come back? Just touch any keys in it, it will open. Okay, that is how to keep it in the suspend mode. Okay, in the mobile and all we keep in the silent mode, or we keep in the flight mode and all to save the what we can say charge, right? The same way we are doing it in the mobile, that is through suspend mode. Okay, now the next one is troubleshooting. What is troubleshooting? Removing or the solving the troubles. There will be many troubles when we are using the computer, like maybe it get hanged, it will not move, maybe the mouse arrows won't be coming, maybe the sounds won't be coming. So this is the simple steps that you have to check when all these problems are there. Okay, so we will see what is it. Assume that you have to assume you are doing something important work on your computer and suddenly the mouse and keyboard is not working. Then what happened? What you have to do? That is, do not get panic. Edmundo provide features to fix the issues called troubleshooting. So this troubleshooting, that is power button is not starting working, the screen is becoming blank, and then the mouse and keyboard not working, the sound is not working. All these problems are solving this Edmundo. That is known as troubleshooting. Okay, children, how they are solving, we will see. Power button is, when the power button is not working, what you have to see? You have to see whether the power is on or not, or you have to check the power plug is plugged properly. Okay, check the power cord to confirm whether properly plugged it or not. Then when the screen is blank, what you have to do? Check whether the monitor screen button, it is off or on. Just try to on it again, it will on by itself. That is what you have to do when the screen is blank. And when an application is frozen, what do you mean by frozen, children? When it is hang, when it is not moving anything, when it is stuck. Okay, what you have to do? Click on dash icon there. Dash icon, all those buttons will be working. Okay, click on that dash icon. There you type system monitor there. Then what happens? Then that system monitor comes. There what you have to do, you will find the list of active process under the process name column. There will be a process name label will be there. Under that there will be active process. Then click on that. Select the process that you want to deactivate. Select the process, that whether it is hang or not, that all you can select from there. Click on the end process button at the bottom. After selecting the what you have to deactivate it, and then click end process button, then the application get closed. That application will get closed and it will start working. Then if the mouse and keyboard is not working, what you have to do, children? You just have to check the port, whether that wire, that keyboard wire and mouse wire, it is plugged in that port properly. Or you have to, if it is wireless, check that whether it is charged well. Okay, whether the charge is full and all, you check it out. That will be the problem. Suppose the sound is not working. If the sound is not working, what you have to do, you have to see the system, that volume will be there now. System volume checking will be there, and also the software which you are playing. If you are playing it in any player, Windows player or media player or MX player, in that also there will be a volume where you can increase and decrease the make high and low the voice. That also in the system also you have to check, and also in the software, inside that software also, that application software, in there also you have to check whether it is in the high mode or not. Okay, for that there is first solution is check the volume level. As I told you, check the volume level, that is click on the sound icon in the indicator area and make sure that the sound is turned on and the volume is up. Okay, make it up. Then click the audio player control. In the audio player control also, that is in the application also, check whether that volume is also turned up in that player. Okay, Windows Media Player or MX Player, in that also the video should be up. In the screen window also should be up, and also the application volume should also be up. Then the third one, check the cables, make sure external speakers are plugged properly. That is, you have to check the speaker also, because through the speaker only that sound is coming out. So you have to check the port of that speaker also, whether it is plugged or not. The speaker plug port, it will be in green color. You have to check whether you have plugged it in the speaker port or whether you have plugged it properly or not. Connect the headphones to the computer and see if you can hear sound from the headphone. Connect the headphones to the computer and see whether you can hear the sound or not. Then you can make sure that it is not the problem of the video. Okay, children. So these are the things that you have to check for the sounds. So what are the things that we did, children? Universal access, we have to check all the keys, then seeing, hearing, typings. Okay, then in suspend mode means power saving mode or the sleeping mode it will be. Troubleshooting means if these problems comes to solve, there is many features in the Ubuntu. That features is known as troubleshooting. These are the three topics which we did not do in the last class, and this class we completed our lesson. Now it is very short, only three topics were there, right? So we have to complete the question answer also in this video. Okay, children. So we will do the question answer also. Before that, let me have a summary of the lesson. What are the three objectives we learned, children? The first objective was files and folder, the views of files and folder, right? Icon view and list view. Then troubleshooting, the trouble and the problems, right? Problems and shooting of it. Then universal access also. So these three topics we completed, and we completed the lessons, the AF. Now AF is question answers and fill in the blanks and match the followings. After that only we will complete the entire lesson. So we will do that, children. Watch this video, listen and start writing. Okay, the question answer part and all other exercises. Okay, children, watch it, complete your work. Yes, children, first one, fill in the blanks. You can view files and folder either in the dash or in the dash. What are the types of viewing files we learn, children? List view and list view, or in the icons views. Okay, write this one, list view or in the icon view. Okay, children. Dash means arranging the files and folders by specifying different parameters. What is used for arranging files? Sorting. Sorting means arranging the files and folders by specifying different parameters. The process of copying data from CD to your computer is known as ripping. Now, Dash allows you to import the images from disks or camera. What is allowing you to import images? Dash is a power saving state wherein a computer does not turn off completely. Suspend mode, right? Suspend mode. Okay, children. Next, you can activate Dash through the hearing tab if you have hearing impairment. If you are having any problem in hearing, what you can do? What you can activate, children? Visual alert. Okay. Dash removes the temporary internal files, downloaded program files. What will remove temporary files? Bleach bit. Right. This will bleach bit. Copying data from your computer to CD. Here, copying data from CD to computer is ripping, and from computer to CD is burning. Okay, children. Now itself you have to write it. Okay. Now the next one is multiple choice question. To free up disk space and help your computer to run faster, use Dash. Free up space. To free up space, what we use, children? Bleach bit. You can switch between any window by clicking on the Dash key short. What is the, children, short key? Alt plus Shift, Alt plus Tab, Shift plus Tab, Alt plus Tab. Dash is a special application to burn, copy and erase CD or DVD. Brasero, right? It's easy, right? Click on the Dash bar to drag the window. Toolbar, menu or title. What we will do, children? Title bar. Dash view displays files and folders as icon. What will view? Icons. Dash allows you to press the key combination one by one instead of holding the keys together. Sticky key. Instead of holding two keys together, if we are clicking sticky key, we can press Alt first, then Tab. Then again that same function will be doing. Yes? So by this we completed both this multiple choice question and fill in the blanks. Next one is match the following. Look at this, children. Match the following. Seeing. Where to match seeing? To high contrast. So write here 1. Copy CD. That is Brasero. Session indicator icon. Suspend. System hanged. If the system is hang, what we have to do? Troubleshooting. Then the last one, typing. That is bounce keys. Okay, children. Now state whether true or false. List view is used to view the detailed information about the files and folder. True or false? True. 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 The default extension of audio file is Wordpress. Is it true, children? Audio file? No, it is false. Shotwell is default photo manager designed for Edge Ubuntu operating system. True or false? True. Copying data from CD to computer is known as burning. False. It is ripping. Sort icons using by name, the file and the folder will be arranged in an alphabetical order. Sorting by name, alphabetical order. True. Edge Ubuntu provides an inbuilt tool called Universal Access. True. Now answer the following questions. What do you know about Rhythmbox music player? You can copy songs from your favorite music CDs, DVD onto your computer with Rhythmbox music player. After a song has been copied to your computer, you can use Rhythmbox music player to play and organize them. How will you display two application windows side by side? Step 1. Open LibreOffice Calc and LibreOffice Writer programs one by one. Click on the title bar of the active window. Hold down the left mouse button and drag it towards the right edge of the screen. Step 3. Release the mouse button. The window will occupy half of the screen. Step 4. Drag the other windows to the left side using the same process. What is the use of BleachBit application? Answer. BleachBit application removes the temporary internal files, downloaded program files, empties the trash files, and other items that are not being used for a long time. How many waves, files and folders can be viewed? Explain any one of the views. Answer. You can view files and folders either in the list view or in the icon view. Icon view is the default way of displaying your files and folders as icons. Fifth one. What is the purpose of Shotwell Photo Manager? Answer. Shotwell Photo Manager allows you to import the images from disk or camera, organize and view them in various ways, and export them to share with others. What is Suspend mode? Answer. Suspend is a power-saving state wherein a computer does not turn off completely. In this process, monitor and hard disk are turned off, but the computer puts works and settings in RAM and draws a small amount of power. What action you will take if sound is not working in your system? Answer. If sound is not working on your system, check the volume level. Click on the sound icon in the indicator area and make sure that the sound is turned on and the volume is up. What are the ways of sorting files and folders? Explain briefly. Answer. Sorting means arranging the files and folders by specifying different parameters such as their names, dates, modified types, and size. Sorting options appears only when you have selected the icon's view. Now the lessons are complete. Right children? All the lessons, the first lesson is complete. Next video we will be starting with the second lesson. Read the lesson carefully, understand it. If you are not understanding it, just text me children. I will be there to clear it out. Okay? The next class we will be doing the next lesson inshallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.